Everyone, so I am back with another haul, and it's a kind of slightly miscellaneous haul if I'm honest. There are a few bits, quite a few beauty bits and some sort of like random bits as well, but they're mostly kind of, well, they're kind of all beauty related really. I'm going to start with the random bits first. I picked up these clear acrylic drawers from TK Maxx. I wanted them for my makeup. These were £11 I think. I'm not actually sure, that was upside down. That thing came out. I'm not actually sure if they're deep enough to put, like, they won't be deep enough to put foundation in that in, will they? They're actually not that deep at all, but yeah, no, I think they'll be okay, won't they? I wanted them to go on my kind of vanity area to put my sort of everyday makeup-y bits in, really. I think they'll actually fit right between my mirror, which is what I was hoping for, and then I can kind of rotate stuff in them and do that, because I do tend to kind of change my makeup up quite a lot. I also bought this, which I believe is a pen holder, but I loved it, and I loved the copper, and it was £3.99, and I thought I could also put makeup-y bits in it on my dresser. And I've kind of got like a rose gold mirror, so I thought it would tie that in with it as well. So that is really cute. I actually really like, I think it's really nice. Then beauty, well, I'll do the not beauty bit and then I'll do beauty bits, yeah? I picked this candle up in B&M. It's the Yankee Candle Bermuda Beach. It was £6.99, which I think is an amazing price, and it smells so good. It smells like watermelon and holiday and just really nice summer candle. I kind of did want a nice new summer one, so that is really exciting because I love candles. Then in terms of beauty bits, I picked up 3 of these recently because they were on 3 for 2, and my favourite mascara is the MAC in Extra Dimension 3D mascara, whatever it's called, but it's £19. It dries out very quickly and I go through it very quickly because I use it every day because I need to use mascara that doesn't smudge. My second fave from the drugstore is the L'Oreal Paradise one, which is like £11 I think. And I think maybe this was on offer for like £9 and on 3 for 2. So I picked 3 up, and basically I would get 3 for the price of, well, less than the price of the MAC one. So yeah, I picked that up. It's actually what I've got in my eyes today. I do not have any eyeshadow on, and I have actually had this on since about 10 o'clock this morning, and it's now about 6. So yeah, really good mascara. If you have difficult eyes in terms of things smudge on you and you have quite oily lids, this is a really good mascara, and it does give quite a nice lash as well. Then I got a couple of body products. I don't know, I was just bored with what I was using. I got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Whipped Body Balm. This is so nice. I've used it once, it smells lovely, and the texture of it is really gorgeous. It is so perfect for the summer months. Like, I know I'm going to get a ton of use out of it then. It has a really lovely, like the name suggests, whipped texture. Sinks into the skin instantly, and it's just so nice to apply. Like, it just feels so good. I really like that. I want to try the body lotion, like the pump one from that range as well, actually. Then I picked up this from Superdrug. It's the Coconut and Orchid Body Butter, which just looks like this. This is actually quite a nice formula. It's quite rich and thick, which I like in a body butter, especially at night, and smells really coconutty and delicious. And I think it was really cheap. I think it was like £1.99 or something, so I really like that. And then I've really been into fake tan lately. I don't know if it's just because it's been warm, or I've just really been like enjoying fake tanning and being tanned. But my favourite tan is the Cocoa Brown extra dark one, and it's very difficult to get hold of. It's permanently out of stock. So I've been trying to try out a few different ones, and a lot of people recommended the Superdrug own range. So I bought the dark tan from their range. Went on nicely, I looked really dark, which I like, and it was good, but when I rinsed off I wasn't that dark, and it didn't last very long on me at all. I am going to give it another go, but fake tan doesn't hang around on me anyway. The Cocoa Brown one is probably the best one for it, but I was a bit disappointed in that, I'm not going to lie. And then I also picked up the Dry Oil Tan. This is actually tinted, but it's really easy to use. It won't make you properly tanned. It's nice if you've got fake tan and maybe you're on like day 2 and you just want a bit of a pick-me-up, then this is a good product. But I literally just sprayed it all over my body and rubbed it in and washed my hands, and I was fine, even though it is very tinted. But you would have to like wear pyjamas that you don't care about, because it still is tinted, so it does come off a little bit. but it was nice nonetheless. Then, oh, this is really exciting. Let me show you this. Okay, so I recently got sent a sample, quite a generous sample, of the Tom Ford Neroli Portofino from a company I'm doing some work with. I'll talk about that later on. But I'm wearing it today and I love it. I love it so much. But funnily enough, I was watching a video the other day that Trini did with, I think her name was Jo something. She's like a perfume expert. And they were talking all about fragrances, and they were talking about 4711, is that how you would say it? I only got the small one because I wanted to see how I liked it and if kind of it was for me. But to me, this smells so similar to the Tom Ford, it's nuts. I was with my boyfriend in Boots today and I showed him the Tom Ford one this morning and he really liked it. And then I said, smell this, do you think it smells like Tom Ford? And he was like, yeah, it really, really does. So yeah, I mean, that is nuts, right? It is annoying that like you can't get them in a spray bottle so much. Oh, it's really, really nice. Nice bedtime perfume. If you're a person like me who wears perfume to bed. So like clean and fresh and lovely. I love it. Then I also picked this up. I've actually got a few more bits that I've ordered that haven't arrived yet of hair care because I needed some new hair care from L'Oreal because I just really wanted to try this. It's the Dream Lengths and it's for hair that's long. My hair is very long, so I thought that that would work, and I bought the mask because generally speaking I use a hair mask every time I wash my hair, which is like 3 times a week, because I think it needs it. And I thought I'd give this one a go. I generally like all of L'Oreal's hair masks, so really looking forward to trying that. Nail polish. I picked up this the other day. New Look. New Look isn't a shop I particularly go in for no other reason than I just forget that it exists. But my sisters always rave about their nail polishes, so I picked one of them up, and it's actually what I've got on right now. It's in the colour Fawn. I love this colour. I was looking for a colour like this. It's kind of like a pinky nude, but it's not as nude as, like, it's not as white as something like Barry M's Rose Hip or Essie Fiji. It's kind of like a perfect in-between colour. I love the colour, but the application, it was a bit streaky. The brush wasn't as wide as I'd like. I feel like maybe Barry M do a colour in the Jelly Shines that's like this, but I haven't quite figured out which colour that is yet. But I will, you know, it stayed on really well as well, and I think it does look really nice, but it was a 3-coat job, which I am not so keen on. Then I repurchased this, and this is actually really interesting because e.l.f. is not a brand that I particularly love or that I particularly tend to reach for. They send me things quite often, which is very kind of them, but it's just not a brand that kind of particularly impresses me, sorry. But I really like this, and it's their HD under eye powder, and I used mine up and I bought another one. It's sheer, does the job. If you have very creasy under eye area, this does work well. I really like it. And then last but not least, 2 lip products. I picked up this because my sister was wearing it and I said, oh, what have you got on your lips? It's really nice. Usually the answer to that question is, it's so-and-so, you gave me it. That was what happened today, but this was the other day, and she said, it's this lip balm. And I was like, really? It's really pretty. And it's literally just the Blistex Lip Brilliance lip balm in the kind of pinky colour. And it's a really, really nice colour, look. I have got lipstick on already. I'm wearing the MAC Alexandra lipstick. Put some over the top. It's a really, really nice colour. It feels really nice on the lips, so yeah, I grabbed that. It was cheap. And then this, which I ordered online, and I actually think maybe I made an error, okay? But it's the Revolution lip liner in the shade Chauffeur, which online people were saying it was a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. I actually think it's quite brown, and I'm not convinced it's going to look very nice on me. So I've yet to try it. It's just very kind of mauvey. Oh, I don't know. It's that colour right there. It might look okay actually. Maybe I'll put it on and I will try it and we'll see. I mean, it looks nice, but yeah, we shall see about that one. But anyway, that is everything for my miscellaneous random haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I have got the hair care haul probably coming quite soon as well, so stay tuned for that. Bye!